Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll solve an algebra word problem involving three consecutive integers whose sum is 51. Consecutive integers are integers follow one after the other in order, increasing by 1 unit each. As an example of 3, 4, and 5. 4 comes right after 3 with 1 increment. 5 comes right after 4 with 1 increment. Let the first integer be n. The second consecutive integer would be n plus 1. And the third consecutive integer would be n plus 2. Because the sum of the integers is given as 51. Therefore, we can write this equation. n plus 1 plus n plus 2 equals to 51. After simplifying the equation, we found n equals to 16. Thus, the three integers are 16, 17, and 18. We should verify the solution by checking the sum. 16 plus 17 plus 18 equals to 51. Now, we can confirm the solution is correct. The three consecutive integers are 16, 17, and 18. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.